What do you think I'm going to make with this today on my channel? Hi, my name is Stache, and today we're going to make guacamole. If you've ever wanted to have that wonderful velvety texture of avocados and the spiciness of Mexican food, today we're going to make that. Stick around and watch me turn this into this. Look at this, it's amazing. Oh my God, let's try it. This is so good. Oops. Oh, it's so good. Okay, here we go. Guacamole has some necessary ingredients. The first one and the most important is a Hass avocado. These are found in warm climates, mainly California, and they're wonderful. They have a velvety, wonderful texture. They're just great. When you go to the store, look for the ugly avocado. The ugly avocado is the one that you want. The big, large avocados that are bright green don't have any flavor. So I would just not use those at all. The next, we need a tomato, a lime, 1 clove of garlic, a couple green onions. I have already trimmed these a little bit. A part of a jalapeno. This one I already cut in half. And then I have 3 avocados that I've already cut in half. And this is the red onion. And we're going to dice the red onion. Salt and pepper. And I do have some red pepper to put in there. You put these things in accordance to what you like. So let's go. Let's start. So what I've done first of all is I have the avocados cut in half, and I'm going to take them and I'm going to scoop them out with a spoon. Just like that, just that easy. There we go. Here are all the avocados in the bowl. Take your trusty knife and just cut them up like this. I do not like guacamole all pureed like baby food. I don't like that. I like a little bit of chunk in it, and it tastes, it's so wonderful. It just, you pull it up on a chip, it's just so amazing. But anyway, here, that's what we're doing. Just like that. There we go. Now, one of the things I like to do here is, in order to keep the avocado from turning brown, is I put a little lime in it, plus it gives it such wonderful flavor. Here we go, just squeeze it in. I do have a little juicer here, but I think I probably will be able to do it with my fingers. Just squeeze it through your fingers, just like that. And I'm going to use the whole lime. Many times, I don't have limes, but I do have lemons, so you can use a lemon also. You probably won't use quite as much. You won't use the whole lemon itself. So just that, and I take this and I stir it in there. Just mix it in so it's covering all of the avocado, just like that. I like to take kosher salt and put some in there, along with ground pepper. There we go. I also have red pepper flakes. And I'm going to put a little bit in. It depends upon how much you like heat, but I put a little of that in there. Now, I have 2 green onions here, and I'm going to cut these up and I'm going to put them in here too. So it's just about building these flavors and making it wonderful. And it's real simple. Keep your fingers out of the way. There we go. Just put that right in here. That's all you have to do. Now, 1 clove should be sufficient of garlic. And I just take it and I score it down, top to bottom like that. And then just finely cut the garlic, just like that. And then when you're done, you can come back and just cut it up just a little bit more. Nobody wants a gigantic chunk of garlic in their mouth. It's probably not that great. And just take it and put that, incorporate that right into the avocado. We're just building it up. I have a little extra green onions here. I'm going to put that in there too. Now I have half of a jalapeno. This has heat. Now, if you've never used jalapeno before, you need to cut them in half, take the vein out of the middle, and then take the seeds out. Now, let me tell you, be so careful or you are going to regret you ever touched this baby. Do not touch your eyes. Don't touch your nose. Keep your hands away from your face and wash your hands as soon as possible, because if you don't, you're going to regret it big time. Same as I did with the garlic, I'm going to take my knife and I'm going to score it top to bottom, just like this. There we go. And then I'm going to mince it. You want these fairly fine. Here we go. And here we go. There. That should be enough. Just like that. Put that right in there. Now we're going to cut this is a red onion. Use a red onion, I don't like just brown onions. These are sweeter. I love the flavor of a red onion. And we're just going to score it, turn it on its side. Make sure you have a good solid base for it to stand on. And that's all you need to do. Just score it just like we did the other ones. There we go. Now, hold it together a little bit here and just cut through it, just like that. All you have to do. That should be enough. Just put that in there. Now, with the tomato, I like tomatoes in it, but we do not want to put the seeds and the juice into it. It'll make your guacamole runny. Don't want that. Runny guacamole. No, we don't want that. So what I do is I just come in with my fingers and I pull it out, just like that. There we go. See? I'm going to go through here. Do the same thing there. So we're just taking the meat of the tomato. I'm going to cut the end of this one off where the stem was. Okay. And just going to cut these up. Look, that could be cut up a little bit more there. You can also take these and just squeeze them. Squeeze the tomato really good to get the juice out of it. But these are pretty decent. They're not overly moist. There we go. So we have just about everything in here. All we need to do is combine it. This is where you just get the velvetiness of the avocado incorporated with everything else. You have the jalapeno in here. You have the green onions, the red onions, the tomato, salt, pepper, and pepper flakes. And this is guacamole. Look at that. Now, I like to just kind of mash it down just a little bit, but still keep some chunks in it. You can see this. Have chunks in there. Now, let me do one thing. I'm going to test it and see if it needs more salt or pepper in it. As usual, it's perfect. It's absolutely perfect. You're going to love it. I really recommend you try it. It's very easy. You're going to make tacos one night. Whatever you're going to do, it's just wonderful. If you have a company come over and you just want a little dip, this is perfect if you happen to have the avocados. Now what I need for you to do is please like, comment, and subscribe, and share this with your friends. Tell everybody about Stache and the guacamole. You're going to love it, and they're going to think you're a hero. Better yet, even if you don't tell them, and you just have them over, and then you tell them where you got it from. Okay? Have a great day. I will see you the next time. Okay? Bye.